Good morning. Happy Wednesday. Today we're working on decimal place values. This is the last skill that we were working on before we left. So we actually did place values and then we did rounding. So here's a place value chart. It's there for you if you need to use it. Some students needed to use it, some students did not. But if you do need to use it, especially when you get to expanded form, and this is just something that I did for the kids. I put 1/10 here to show that when you use the expanded form and you write the digit that's in that place value times the place value, they could write it as a fraction, or it can be written as a decimal. So that's 1/10 as a decimal and as a fraction. So this one is 1/100th. And then this one is 1/1000th. Decimals have THS on the end of them, and whole numbers do not. That was another difference we talked about. So 1/1000th, if it's a decimal, it would be 0.0001. So that's place value chart. You're welcome to print these out or just use it for your reference. Okay, here's the first worksheet. The two different questions are asking what place is a select digit in, which means what spot in the place value chart would that number be located in. And then the next question is what is the value of the selected digit? So that is how much that digit is worth in that spot. So for this first one, it's to this 2 here. The decimal point is here. So you're 1, 2, 3, 4 spots over from the decimal, right after a comma. So that would be in your thousands place. So here you'd write 1,000. It seems like every time I open one of these math aid websites or pages, it gives me a different number. So if your numbers don't look the same as mine, that's fine because you can always scroll to the bottom and the answer keys are there. So it's okay to have different numbers for the first one. And then it says, what's the value of the select digit? So the value would be 2,000. So that's all you would do for that first worksheet. All right, so here is the last worksheet that you'll work on today. It is with expanded notion or with expanded form as we call it. So let me make a text box so it's going to be easier for me to write than use that pen. So expanded form means that you are writing out the digit times the place value. So this first one is a 5. So we're going to do 5 times, and the 5 is in the thousands place. So I'm going to do 5 times 1,000, then plus, and then the next is 3 times 100 because that's what place value it's in, then plus 7 times 10 plus 6 times 1 plus. And then for the decimals, we usually put them in parentheses. So you're going to put 9 times, and you could put it as a decimal point, which would be times 1/10, or you could put it as a fraction like I showed you guys on the place value chart. So 1 over top of a 10, 1/10. So both of those ways will work. Like I told the students last year, in the My Math book, they only showed them the fraction way, but below this worksheet, they have the decimal. And I did show them both, and I also showed you guys both on the the first page. So parenthesis 7 times 0.01 1/100th plus 4 times 0.01. So that's what you would write for that one for the expanded form. Then down here, you're actually going to take it from expanded form and make it into standard form. So that means just the digits. This page is where the place value chart might be able to help you. So here I have a 4 in the thousands place. So then I check again. Okay, it says 5 times 100. So the 5 is in the hundreds place. 8 times 10, that means the 8 is in the tens place. 9 times 1, the 9's in the ones place. Then I'm going to put a decimal point because the 2 is in the tenths place. Then the 3 is in the hundreds place. Then the 7 is in the thousands place. So that would be my answer for that one. Just be careful on ones like this one here where it says 0 times 1. What that means for that one is that there is no digit in the ones place, so you put a 0 for that place value. And luckily here they actually say 0 times 10, where in our math book they would just leave that one out. So this one they show you about the 0. All right, I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.